So one of my mentors, Sir Ephraim Isaac, said that the situations and issues that Amnesty International and Amnesty International Slovenia and any section and country are grappling with did not happen overnight. They've taken decades and even generations. And we live in a time period where we expect everything. Instagram, instant dry cleaning, it's just right away. But that really is setting us up for disappointment and failure. I'm not saying it needs to take another generation to rectify. Change can happen and swiftly. But I really encourage everyone to think of it not as a sprint, but as a marathon. There will be times when you're tired, you need to hand the baton to somebody else, look after yourself, well-being, come back to the fight. But this is a lifelong endeavor. So pace yourself. Remember that, we're moving the needle an inch at a time, even things that we thought were impossible. I've studied the sort of human rights wins that Amnesty Slovenia has done, and it's amazing. Last year, this year, your head of state formally apologized. That is incredible, and how many countries could learn from that? So it is, like I said at the Global Assembly, just remember, when nothing is certain, everything is possible.